Hey, how's it going? It's Andy from Melted Iceberg, and today we're going to show you how to edit your menu links in WordPress. If you don't know what a menu is, most sites have a bar on top with links that go to other pages. It's mainly the primary navigation around your website. So in this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to edit those links. Right now, you can see up here we have a few sample links. We're going to show you how to edit those. So we're already logged into our WordPress install. But if you don't know how to log in, remember you can go to /wp-admin to log into your WordPress site. So if we hover over the site name on the top left, we can select menus. This can also be reached by going to appearance and then menus. And you can see here, these are the menu links that we already have in our menu. And you can drag those around. You can even nest them. So if you want to make a drop down. So for this example, I'm going to remove all the links. And then we're going to just add the sample page here, hit add to menu. And then if you want to select a post, there's a post list here, hit add to menu. And then if you want to make an external link, you can always add a custom link here. So if you want to link to Google, for example, hit add to menu. Then hit save. And then we're going to head over back to our front end. And you can see the links have been updated. And an important thing to note about menus is the display location. So many themes will have different display locations. So make sure that you're picking either the header menu or primary menu is how most people title it. In this theme, it's called the primary menu. So if we uncheck that, for example, then hit save menu, then go back to our site, you'll see that the menu is now removed. So that's how you verify that it's in the correct location. Additionally, if you want to change the text of any of the links, you can click on the little arrow next to them all and change the navigational label. And that's it. You've edited your menu links and you can change and add whatever you'd like. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.